welcome back to Cozy Home. Today is going to be a small video. We're just going to, actually not me, but my daughter is going to be cleaning out the refrigerator. And I had bought these little liner thingies that she wants to put in. So she decided that she's going to do the cleaning. It's fridge liners. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. It's probably backwards for you guys. But I got these at Aldi's for only $5. And they say they have a package of 3. So we bought 2 packages for our refrigerator. And I'm hoping that this might help out with the little messes. I mean, we don't have too much mess in the refrigerator. But just in case if I want to go a little bit longer, I'm not cleaning it out. This is what we're using. Okay. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and leave me a comment. Please give my daughter some love and leave a comment for her for helping me out. Okay guys, we're gonna get right to it. So what Jane is doing, she's just cleaning out all the shelves and she's putting it here on our little kitchen cabinet thingy that we had made a while back. And then she's gonna go ahead and disinfect the refrigerator. And the spray bottle that she's using has On Guard, a little bit of dish soap, and water. That looks good, Jane.
So this is pretty much like any vegetables that you can use when you're gonna cook. These are leftovers. This is the greens and the milks. And then I'm gonna do these.